Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to go over dollar CAD as we could be seeing price head down to the 1.3250 handle. Now we spoke about CAD a lot yesterday. We talked about CAD yen and the potential for that price to come into an area of resistance before potentially moving further to the upside. However, in this video we're going to talk about dollar CAD and the potential for it to come a little bit lower towards the range lows. Now, like yesterday we talked about, there was some data coming out in Canada, CPI data, as well as inflationary data, and inflation actually fell in March to 4.3%, and we had the Bank of Canada Governor Macklem speaking, and he was speaking and talking about the fact that they see further declines in the inflation rate. They see a continuation of that. However, they did also say that if the monetary policy that they are currently implementing is not restrictive enough, they would continue to hike interest rates to try and bring the inflation rate down to their 2% targets. So there is still the catalyst there that they may do something. However, at the moment, it's looking like we're going to see the Bank of Canada continue to hold interest rates. So let's talk about what could happen from a technical perspective. We can see here that dollar CAD breaking through this trend line, resistance or support through here. Now, the last time we actually featured dollar CAD was in this area here, and we spoke about the potential for price to continue to the downside because of this forming pattern in here. Now, this pattern that is forming was basically after an aggressive impulsive phase down. We had a very shallow pullback. As soon as price broke through a daily low, the market motored to the downside, and we had a catalyst that drove prices lower. Are we going to see the same thing again here? Are we going to see some slow decline in days, and then when we get that trigger point where price breaks through a daily low, is that going to spark a move down to the 1.3250 handle? That's what I'm kind of expecting here out of the price of dollar CAD, unless anything changes. You know, we are trading below the daily 200 moving average. We're trading below the previous structure lows in here, around about that 1.3420 handle. But I'm expecting maybe a little bit more of an incline. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that in that previous impulse phase, there was some kind of pausing points around about the 1.3430 up to the 1.3450. That could also be an area of interest for price. Sorry, let me just tidy this up a little bit in there, because that was where we were talking about the short potential coming into the market. We've obviously come into a supporting area here, but you can see similarities, you know, in terms of the pullback here was very shallow. We got higher highs and higher lows. Are we starting to see that again? And if price comes up into that area and we see sort of a failed breakout, like you can see there, false breakout, could that offer traders opportunities to get short down to that 1.3250 handle? So that's something we've got to be aware of on dollar CAD going forward. So thanks for watching this video update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.